Yo, we a couple of months ahead of time with this early first look at an upcoming Air Jordan 1. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been showing you guys a lot of Jordan 1s lately, but these right here definitely have to be one of the best Air Jordan 1s to release in 2024. Let's hop into today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. And like you heard in the intro, bro, we got another early look for the Vintage Squad. So before we even say any more words, everybody watch right now, I need y'all to leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube and your boy DeVintage that you guys are enjoying the content. And with these early looks, man, we love to get these up to 400 likes. Definitely want to get some interaction down below in the comment section, so make sure y'all engage in the content, dropping a couple comments or two, and of course spamming that like button. You guys already know my IG is in the description box, along with some of my top cologne picks from Joma Shop. You guys can click that link, get some nice high-end cologne fragrances for a nice affordable price. Trying to put you guys on, bro. I've been trying to drop a little seeds here and there to help you guys out. Just know your boy DeVintage got y'all, man. And we've been going crazy with the content, man. You guys see right here, we do have a pair of the Air Jordan 9 powder blues with you guys with that early first look. The review on feed, I might drop it tomorrow or on a release date, depending on how you guys, feeling, bro. I might drop it on Friday, or I might drop it on the drop date, depending on how a couple things go, man. But let me know if you guys did check out this video. I'm gonna link it down below, or you guys can go check out the channel and see the full, breakdown of another classic nostalgia release like these powder blue 9s. And then yesterday we showed you guys the Hot Step 2s, Drake's newest sneaker that just released a couple of weeks ago. I think it actually dropped last week. They did a shock drop. Had to have these things, but like I said, bro, we've been dropping the content, give you guys a couple of different new things to look at, keep you guys engaged. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content we've been dropping, man. All right, man, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this package right here. I got to get the Rambo knife, bro. We got to get the Rambo knife for this one right here, because these joints right here, bro, I'm telling y'all, I'm liking them a lot more just based off of the image. You guys know when I unbox sneakers, I don't look at them yet. I'll wait till I unbox them with you guys, give you my real reaction to whatever we are unboxing. And shouts out to the GOAH, bro. The GOAH need to sponsor you, boy, bro. We need to get a deal going or something like that. Give the discount code to the Vintage Squad. Hopefully, we speaking that into the works. But that will be dope to get a little, sponsorship deal with GOAH and give back to the supporters that, rock out with me and the GOAH. I'm gonna hit them up after this video, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. You guys know GOAH 100% authentic with the early looks, and you already know how it comes usually with the brown tissue paper in here. We can throw this to the side, bro. Let's throw it to the side, and yes, bro, y'all see the box, man. Y'all see the box, and the box is definitely different. So we got some nice early kicks in, bro. So let's go ahead and get the rest of this tissue paper without, exposing the sneaker real quick. Y'all stay tuned. All right, bam, man. Here we have it, bro. You got the Nike, of course, all the way around the sneaker box right here. And check out the official colorway size tag, and it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white, black, and green glow. And I got these things in the size 9.5. I've been telling y'all, bro, 9.5 is my new size. I'm gonna just rock with that, man. So let's go ahead and pop it open. You guys already know, bro, I have like 100 of these already. You know how it's coming. Got the GOAT verified tag right here. Had it upside down, my bad. Check it out. And the QR code in the back. Throw that to the side, and man, I can see them ones popping through the tissue paper, man. So let's go ahead and check them out, man. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. There we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 1 green glow, guys. You guys probably heard me in the intro saying this is one of the best Jordan 1s of the year. And if you think about it, bro, you gotta be honest with yourself, man. This has to be one of the best Jordan 1s of the year. Minus the turf room. I know some people might throw them in there, but other than that, as far as a nice dope colorway with some crazy color blocking like you got with the bread toe Air Jordan 1s, you got with these Air Jordan 1 green glow, guys. Look at them, bro. Like, come on, the shoe speaks for themselves. They're different, they're loud, they're vibrant. And if I had to choose these or the green glow 3s, which did release last week, bro, you guys let me know which one you're rocking out with, man. Green glow 3. Nice subtle hits, kind of give you more of a black cement color blocking vibe with the green glow hits around it, you feel me? or the green glow ones, man. I'm gonna have to go with the ones, bro. I'm gonna have to go with the green glow ones on this one. It takes the cake, anime. It takes the cake, bro. So let's go ahead and pull both of them out of the box and let's see, you know what I'm saying, what all comes with it, bro. I think you do get some extra laces. I'm gonna check real quick. Let me see inside, and yes, you do get some extra green glow laces right here, of course, in the little box that it comes with your Air Jordan 1s. And then they come equipped with the black laces already, man. But yo, come on, y'all. Come on, help me out, bro. I need y'all engagement. I need y'all comments. How are y'all feeling about the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Green Glow releasing May the 4th? I believe the date is May the 4th or like May the 14th. I got to pull it up over on GOAT real quick. Yeah, so May the 4th, they will be dropping. I feel like it's another shoe releasing May 4th. Because is it the Industrial Blues? Is the Military Blues releasing May the 4th? Because I feel like when I dropped a YouTube short recently talking about the Military Blue 4, somebody said something about some May the 4th be with you. And I think that it was the Military Blues. Who knows? But I'd be crazy to see a crazy hype release like those releasing and a Green Glow 1 releasing on the same day. You can just think great sales for Nike. It's going to be hard for people to choose between the two shoes. Probably not. I think everybody go with the Industrial Blue, Military Blues. But these, bruh, yeah, these right here, some gas, bro. I ain't gonna cap, and I cannot wait to see you guys, you know, honest thoughts and opinions. If you don't know, we did get a Air Jordan 4 Green Glow that kind of started all off with the Green Glow looks. These came out when I was, I think I was a senior in high school when these came out. Took an L on them, of course. I didn't even try, so I guess it's an instant L. But I feel like they went down the right line as far as giving us some other Green Glow sneakers. We got the Green Glow 3s. We got these Green Glow 1s dropping, and these did shock drop, I believe. Yeah, they did shock drop on the sneakers app during their, you know, sneakers preview for the spring and summertime. And these, it was artisanal reds, and it was also the Shadow 1 lows. Took L on everything, but I did go out and snag these joints because they were going for the low, bruh. These right here, you can check on StockX. You can check on GOAT. You can check wherever you want, bruh. They are literally going for a little bit over retail. Retail for 180 or 190. They retail for 180, and they're going for 230 bucks. So if you want to spend about 40, 50, maybe even 60 in some sizes over retail, you can get you an early pair of kicks from GOAT from StockX. And, you know, have your little early pair. You feel me? Have your little early pair, bruh. You cannot go wrong with these. I'm digging them, bruh. So I got another question, bruh, or the same question. I got to re-ask it or reword it in a sense, because I really want to know what other Air Jordan 1 are we getting this year that can compete as far as, you know, one of the best Jordan 1s of the year. I need y'all help. Maybe I'm forgetting the Jordan 1, but if I ain't, bruh, it got to be these Green Glow guys. We got to kind of, you know, forget about the resale value sometime and see, you know, forget about how much it's going for, because that kind of takes away the uniqueness, the dopeness of whatever shoe you are talking about. Because think about it, bro. Sneaker market pretty much dead. If you're being honest, bro, sneaker market is dead. Shoes like even the Trophy Room 1s, they were released 4 years ago. They were going for $1,000. Now they're only going for $450 to $500. So kind of put that into perspective and just think about it on the flip side. These dropped back in 2014, 2016, around the hype of the Jordan 1s. You be talking about these joints going for $400, $500 easily, bro, easily. So I want you guys, like I said, let me know if you are rocking out with the Green Glow Air Jordan 1 highs releasing May the 4th, around the same time as the Military Blues. Had to have them. You guys know a full review and on feet will be coming very shortly. And I even forgot to mention, bro, hold on. I forgot to mention, I'm looking at it, bro. I'm like, yo, hold on. The leather is mad tumbled around this pair right here. But of course, I'm gonna get a little bit more into details when we get closer to release date. We are mad early from the drop. So we got a little bit more time to, you know, work on our own feet, kind of see how people are feeling about it. Because now that we are over this Trophy Room 1 rookie card low drop, now people are going to get more on the GR side of things, seeing what Jordan Brand is dropping for. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I was long-winded today. Had a lot to say about these Green Glow 1s. Super dope. I'm trying to think of another Air Jordan 1 that can compete with these, and I'm looking, and I don't see anything. I'm looking at the sneaker calendar. I don't see none either. So definitely top 3, top 5 Air Jordan 1s of the year, just off a rip. And I ain't even seen or even remember any other Jordan 1 that can compete with these as of now. So can't wait to read you guys' comments. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and make sure you hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. I love y'all again, appreciate the love and support. Thanks for tapping in. And again, bro, one more 360 look at the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Green Glows. All that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.